My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the BBA third semester subject Introduction to Information Technology as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 2 first important short question is: describe the relationship between data, information and knowledge. Relationship between data, information and knowledge. Data is raw facts and figures without meaning. It can be numbers, words or symbols. Example 10, 20, 30 or Rahul, Ravi, Anita. Information is processed data that is meaningful and useful. When data is organized, analyzed, or interpreted, it becomes information. Example, Rahul scored 90, Ravi 80, and Anita 85 in maths exam. Knowledge is information combined with experience, understanding, or insight to make decisions. It answers the question what to do with the information. Example, a teacher seeing the marks can decide Rahul needs extra coaching in science, Ravi in maths, Anita in English. Tip to remember. Think of it as a chain. Data, information, knowledge. Data is equal to raw ingredients. Information is equal to cooked meal. Knowledge is equal to knowing how to serve and eat it. This shows how raw data transforms into valuable knowledge for decision making. Next important short question is: 2. What is MIS? MIS, Management Information System. A Management Information System, MIS, is a computer-based system that helps managers in an organization to make decisions by providing the right information at the right time. It collects, processes, stores, and presents data in a meaningful way so managers can plan, control, and monitor activities efficiently. Example, in a school, an MIS can track students' attendance, exam results, and fees. The principal can easily see which students are performing well or need extra help. Key points to remember. MIS is for managers. It helps in decision making. It turns raw data into useful information. Tip to remember. Think of MIS as a smart assistant for managers. It gathers all important information and presents it neatly so managers can take the right actions quickly. Next important short question is: 3. What do you mean by DSS? DSS, Decision Support System. A decision support system, DSS, is a computer-based system that helps managers make decisions for complex or semi-structured problems. Unlike MIS, which provides routine information, DSS analyzes data, generates options, and supports decision-making when situations are not straightforward. Example, a shop owner wants to decide which products to stock for Diwali. A DSS can analyze past sales, customer trends, and market data to suggest the best products and quantities to buy. Key points to remember. DSS is for decision making, not just reporting. It uses data, models, and analysis tools to support choices. It is helpful when problems are complex or uncertain. Tip to remember. Think of DSS as a smart advisor. For managers, it doesn't make the decision, but it gives insights and suggestions so the manager can choose the best option. Next important short question is: 4. Define database and DBMS. Database and DBMS. A database is an organized collection of related data stored together so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Think of it as a digital storage cupboard for information. Example, a school database may store student details like names, roll numbers, marks, and attendance. A DBMS, database management system, is software that helps you create, manage, and use databases efficiently. It allows users to store, update, retrieve, and delete data without worrying about how the data is physically stored. Example: popular DBMS software includes MySQL, Oracle, MS Access, and PostgreSQL. A school principal can quickly get a list of students scoring above 80 using DBMS without manually checking files. Tip to remember: database is equal to cupboard storing data. DBMS is equal to smart organizer that manages the cupboard. This makes managing large amounts of data fast, safe, and convenient, which is essential for organizations. Next important short question is: 5. State the advantages of expert system. Expert system. An expert system is a computer program that simulates the decision-making ability of a human expert. It uses knowledge and rules to solve problems in a specific area. Advantages of expert systems. 1. Consistency. Gives the same solution every time for the same problem. Example: a medical expert system diagnosing a disease will give the same suggestion for the same symptoms. 2. Speed. Provides answers quickly compared to humans. Example: detecting errors in a factory machine instantly. 3. Availability. Can work 24/7 without fatigue. Example: customer support chatbots helping users anytime. 4. Knowledge preservation. Stores expert knowledge even if the human expert is not available. Example: a chemical process expert system stores the knowledge of a senior scientist. 5. Training tool. Helps beginners learn from expert decisions. Example: students learning to diagnose diseases from a medical expert system. Tip to remember: think of an expert system as a virtual expert. It is fast, consistent, always available, and can teach others. Next unit 2. Long questions. First important long question is: 1. What is MIS? Discuss the usefulness of MIS in organizations. Management Information System, MIS. A management information system, MIS, is a computer-based system designed to help managers make better decisions. It collects, processes, stores, and presents data in an organized way, turning it into useful information. MIS is used at various levels of management to plan, monitor, and control operations efficiently. Usefulness of MIS in organizations. 1. Better decision-making. MIS provides managers with accurate and timely information, helping them make informed decisions. Example: a store manager can see which products are selling fast and decide what stock to order next week. 2. Improved efficiency. MIS automates routine reports and tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Example: employee attendance, payroll, and leave records are generated automatically. 3. Planning and forecasting. MIS helps managers plan for future needs by analyzing trends and patterns in data. Example: a manufacturing company can plan production based on previous month's sales data. 4. Control and monitoring. MIS allows managers to track performance and detect problems early. Example: a school principal can monitor student attendance and exam performance to identify areas needing attention. 5. Coordination across departments. MIS helps in sharing information between departments, improving coordination. Example: sales, inventory, and finance departments can share data for smoother operations. 6. Supports strategic decisions. MIS provides information that helps in long-term planning and achieving organizational goals. Tip to remember: Think of MIS as a smart assistant for managers. It collects data, organizes it, and presents it in a way that helps managers take better decisions, plan ahead, and monitor performance efficiently. Fun analogy. Data is equal to raw ingredients. Information is equal to prepared meal. MIS is equal to chef who cooks and serves the meal efficiently. Next important long question is to elaborate on operation, tactical, strategic IS and also executives information systems, EIS. Information systems, IS, in organizations. Organizations use information systems, IS, to support decision-making and manage operations efficiently. Depending on the level of management, IS can be classified into operational, tactical, strategic IS and executives information systems, EIS. 1. Operational information systems. Designed for day-to-day routine tasks of an organization. Helps in processing transactions, maintaining records, and managing operations. Example, a supermarket billing system records sales, updates inventory, and generates daily sales reports. Tip: operational IS is equal to day-to-day worker of the organization. 2. Tactical information systems. Supports mid-level management in planning, monitoring, and controlling resources. Helps managers make short-term and medium-term decisions. Example, a store manager uses sales reports and stock levels to decide how much stock to order for the next week. Tip: tactical IS is equal to middle manager's planner. 3. Strategic information systems. Supports top-level management in long-term planning and strategic decisions. Helps in competitive advantage, future planning, and overall organization goals. Example, a CEO analyzing market trends to decide whether to expand the business to a new city. Tip: strategic IS is equal to CEO's decision tool. 4. Executive Information Systems, EIS. A specialized system for executives to provide summarized, easy-to-understand information. Often displays graphs, dashboards, and key performance indicators, KPIs. Example, a hospital director using EIS to view overall patient statistics, revenue, and staff performance in one dashboard. Tip: EIS is equal to one-glance executive dashboard. Summary table, easy to remember. IS type users purpose example. Operational IS lower level day-to-day operations, supermarket billing system. Tactical IS middle level resource planning and control stock order decisions. Strategic IS top level long-term planning and strategy market expansion analysis. EIS executives summarized decision support dashboard of KPIs. Fun tip to remember. Think of IS as a support ladder. Operational IS is equal to worker. Tactical IS is equal to supervisor. Strategic IS is equal to CEO. EIS is equal to CEO's dashboard. Next important long question is: 3. Decisions vary with levels of management and managers need different types of information systems. Justify by guiding the types of information systems with their applications. Decisions and management levels. In an organization, decisions vary depending on the level of management, lower, middle, or top. Each level requires different types of information systems, IS, to make effective decisions. 1. Operational level decisions. Who uses it? Lower level managers and staff. Type of IS, Transaction Processing System, TPS, Operational IS. Purpose, handles routine, day-to-day tasks. Example, a cashier uses a billing system to record sales and update inventory. Tip: operational IS is equal to daily workers tool. 2. Tactical level decisions. Who uses it? Middle-level managers. Type of IS, Management Information System, MIS, Tactical IS. Purpose, helps planning, monitoring, and controlling resources in short or medium term. Example, a store manager uses weekly sales and stock reports to decide how much stock to order. Tip, Tactical IS is equal to Middle Manager's Planner. 3. Strategic level decisions. Who uses it? Top-level managers and executives. Type of IS, Strategic IS Executive Information System, EIS. Purpose, supports long-term planning, policy making, and strategic decisions. Example, a CEO analyzing market trends to decide whether to expand the business to a new city. Tip, Strategic IS is equal to CEO's decision tool. Key idea. The type of decision determines the IS needed. Routine decisions, Operational IS. Resource planning, Tactical IS, MIS. Strategic, future-focused decisions, Strategic IS, EIS. Fun tip to remember. Think of management levels as a ladder. 1. Operational IS is equal to worker. 2. Tactical IS is equal to supervisor. 3. Strategic IS is equal to CEO. Each level requires different information, detail, and speed in order to make the right decisions efficiently. Next important long question is 4. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of DBMS. DBMS, Database Management System. A database management system, DBMS, is software that helps create, manage, and use databases efficiently. It allows users to store, retrieve, update, and delete data easily without worrying about the internal storage details. While DBMS is very useful, it has both advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of DBMS. 1. Data sharing. Multiple users can access the database simultaneously. For example, in a school, teachers and the principal can view student attendance at the same time. 2. Data security. DBMS provides user-level access control to protect sensitive information. For example, only the principal can modify marks, while teachers can only view them. 3. Data integrity ensures accuracy and consistency of data using constraints and rules. Example, marks entered cannot exceed the maximum allowed marks. 4. Data redundancy reduction avoids storing duplicate data, saving storage space. Example, student details are stored once, not repeated in multiple files. 5. Efficient data retrieval allows quick search, query, and report generation. Example, generating a list of students scoring above 90 in seconds. 6. Backup and recovery. DBMS can automatically backup data and restore it if lost. Disadvantages of DBMS. 1. High cost. Installing and maintaining DBMS software can be expensive, especially for small organizations. 2. Complexity. DBMS systems are complicated to set up and require trained personnel. 3. Performance issues. If the database is very large or heavily accessed, performance may slow down. 4. Security risk. Centralized data is vulnerable to hacking if proper security is not maintained. Tip to remember. Think of DBMS as a smart digital cupboard. It organizes data, shares it safely, keeps it accurate, and makes it easy to find, but it needs money, skill, and protection to work well. Next important long question is 5. What ethical and social issues are raised by IS? Ethical and social issues in information systems, IS. Information systems, IS, have transformed how organizations and individuals work. However, they also raise important ethical and social issues that must be considered. 1. Privacy issues. IIS collects and stores personal data like names, addresses, health records, and financial information. Concern: misuse of this data can harm individuals. Example: social media platforms storing user data may sell it to advertisers without permission. 2. Security issues. Protecting data from unauthorized access, hacking, or theft is critical. Example: bank databases must be secured to prevent fraud or theft of account information. 3. Intellectual property rights, IPR. IIS makes copying and sharing software, music, videos, and books very easy. Concern: using someone else's digital content without permission is illegal. Example: downloading pirated movies or software. 4. Job displacement. Automation and IIS can replace human labor, leading to unemployment in some areas. Example: automated billing systems reduce the need for cashiers in stores. 5. Digital divide. Not everyone has equal access to technology, creating a gap between rich and poor, urban and rural areas. Example: students in cities may have online learning tools, while rural students may not. 6. Ethical decision-making. Organizations must ensure fair and responsible use of IIS. Example: AI systems in hiring should avoid bias against certain candidates. Tip to remember. Think of IIS as a powerful tool. It can make life easier, faster, and smarter, but if misused, it can invade privacy, cause job loss, or create unfairness. Fun way to remember: priced privacy, rights, integrity, security, digital divide.